Howdy players, old Pawpaw here. I'm finna put together a seasoning. It's called a Southwestern style seasoning. Southwestern style seasoning. And it's gonna start off needing 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Alright. And then it needs 2 teaspoons of the cumano. That looks like 2 teaspoons to me. It smells pretty good to me. Alright, now we need 2 tablespoons of paprika. There's one, there's another. Alright. Go right down the line. We need a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright. That looks like a teaspoon. And now we need ground coriander. How much is that? 1 tablespoon. Can't tell what that smells like. Don't have no smell to it. Alright, now we need a teaspoon of red pepper. I got some cayenne here. Teaspoon. Go light on this because I still got to put some. That's about a teaspoon. That's about as much as I want to put any damn way. And we need garlic powder. A tablespoon of garlic powder. Yeah. Now we need some crushed red pepper. I got some good old Cajun Bayou Man crushed red pepper. Good old Chef Ted. Let's see how much I put in there. That's some good pepper right there. They want a teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon, and a tablespoon of the Mexican oregano. Put that in there. That is our Southwestern seasoning. The reason I got this is because I'm going to make something called Hanky Pankys, and you need Southwestern seasoning to do it. Let me taste it and see what it tastes like. Oh man, that is pretty nice. That's pretty good right there, buddy. Tell you what. Yeah. Let's see, we went through chili, cumin, paprika, black pepper, ground coriander, red pepper, garlic powder, crushed peppers, salt, and oregano. Man, that's nice. I'm liking that. Alright, I can't wait to make my Hanky Pankys now. Good.